Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear children, hope you fine. Today we are going to discuss answers to the questions in lesson 2 in supplementary reader The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. First of all, I'll discuss the short answers. Roman letter 1, short answer type questions and answers. First one, how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? Answer, grandfather loved animals. One day he saw this attractive monkey with a tonga driver. The monkey was tied to a feeding trough and seemed out of place there. Grandfather had great liking for animals, so he decided to buy Toto from the tonga driver and bought it for 5 rupees. Number 2, Toto was a pretty monkey. In what sense is Toto pretty? Answer, Toto had bright eyes, sparkling with mischief, pearly white teeth, quick and wicked fingers, and a gracious tail which served as a third hand. The smile of Toto was cute and frightened elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Altogether, all these qualities made him pretty. Third one, why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur and how? Why does the ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? Answer, Toto was a mischievous monkey. He kept disturbing all other animals in grandfather's private zoo. So he took Toto to Saharanpur in a bag. The ticket collector called it a dog as it did not qualify the category of human beings. Fourth one, how does Toto take a bath? Where has he learned to do this? How does Toto almost boil himself alive? Answer, Toto cunningly tested the temperature with his hand, then gradually stepped into the bath. He stepped one foot first, then the other, until he was into the water up to his neck. He rubbed himself all over with the soap. He learned it all from the author. Another day, Toto got in a large kitchen kettle which was on fire to boil. He enjoyed the warm water, but when the water turned out to be hot, he jumped up and down. Suddenly, the grandmother arrived at and pulled him out in half-boiled condition. Fifth question, why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long? Answer, grandfather realizes that Toto cannot stay with the family because of the damage he causes. He breaks dishes, tears the wallpaper, and shreds cloth and curtains. The family cannot afford such losses. Therefore, grandfather finds the tonga driver and sells Toto to him for 3 rupees. Now I'll discuss long answers. Roman letter 2, long answer type questions and answers. First one, how was Toto an expensive deal for grandfather? Answer, undoubtedly, Toto was an expensive deal for grandfather. Grandfather loved animals. Whenever he came across any animal or bird, he felt attachment towards them. In his house, there were many other pet animals. They lived in harmony, but the moment Toto entered the house, he started damaging the house and other things. He pulled out the peg, tore wallpapers and author's blazer. When Toto was transferred to a new place, he never let other animals live in harmony. He kept disturbing them. He broke other household things. So, he proved an expensive deal and grandfather sold him back to the Tonga driver for 3 rupees. Number 2, what moral lesson do we take from author's grandfather in the story? Answer, grandfather was a kind-hearted person. He was an animal lover by choice. He had his own private zoo in his house. He kept bringing home new animals that he liked. He was a fully determined person. He had a lot of patience and took all things positively. When he brought Toto, he felt satisfied. He wanted to keep Toto with other animals, but Toto kept disturbing other animals. Yet grandfather transferred him frequently from one place to another in order to make Toto adjust with other animals. He was a man of strong mind and body. His taste made him a naturalist. He enjoyed his life in the lap of nature. He treated his pet animals as his family members. That's all for today, students. Thank you very much.